Today, me and my team, that include Adarsh Kumar, Manogna, and me Pranav, is going to talk about the bugs or the problems in this app, which name is Product Store. So as we see on the first page, where we see the contents: home, contact, about, cart, login, sign up. So there is a lot of space that is not utilized and just has kept free and with no requirement. So this is a first problem, first bug we can see. And when we go to the next problem, that is contact, let's click on contact. Now here we can see that when we click on the contact, they should give us the contact of their, but now they're asking the contact email, then name, then message. So this is illogical. This cannot be presented like this in this app. And next, then we see the about us. When we see an about us, it says that the media could not be loaded, either because the server or network failed or because format is not supported. So this is the another bug that it is not working. And now when we see in the login and sign up are both together. When we open an app, before opening an app, there is login and signing option before that. It is before opening the app, but it is inside the app, login and sign up. So this issue is a very big issue. Like when we are using this app, when we have purchased the things and we have put into the cart, then we have to sign in, login. So it is illogical. It does not work like that. So this is another one more bug that we can see in this app. Now let's go further. Now there is categories: phone, laptop, monitors. It is good, but there should be one more option about the price option. Like when we click on the phone appears, different type of phone appears. But there is one problem. Like if you want to buy a cheap phone, and if you want to buy we want to buy a phone in a price range, but it is not given that. There is no price range given that. We have to just scroll and find the phone which we have to, and we can't even, there is no such option in this. Like in Google, when we see in Google, there is search option. We can see there is a search option, and by this search option we can find the things that we want as per our requirements. But it is not like that. So if we want to find a phone like a Samsung phone, then there is no option to find a Samsung phone because there is no search button. So this is the biggest bug that I can see in this app that would irritate anyone if he is buying something, as he has to scroll and find the phone that he want, or if he want to just explore the phones, then it is good. But if you want to buy a particular phone from this app, a Samsung phone, or a Nokia phone, or Nexus phone, or Samsung Galaxy S7, so if you want to buy a particular phone, so then he have to scroll and find that phone. For that, there is no such option. So this is a big bug that we can find in this app. Now let us click on one of the product of it. It is around $360. Okay. Now when we click on the Samsung Galaxy S6, a new page gets opened, and here we can see the price, we can see the name, we can see the description. But the most important thing that a person see in today's world, that is the rating. We see the rating of the product, and on basis of that we buy the product. And there is no rating, and there is no the comments, or we can say the reviews. It is not given. So there will be no trust built in within a person mind or the brain that he should buy the phone or not. So let's go for the next bug and see add to the cart. It says product is added. Okay, let us one more. If we want another one more, if we want to buy one more phone, Then let us see that what happens. So here we can see that there is one phone, and if we want to buy another phone, if we want to buy two quantity, so there is no option for that. So we have to go back into the home and click one more time to buy another phone. Now we have to add to cart. So it says it has added a phone. Now when we go to the cart, the two phone are appearing. Now this is something that look cheap. So this should be not there. And the total price is coming 720. And price, it is not even given that the price is in rupees or dollar. We can see back that it is in dollar, but a dollar sign is not coming. And there is a sign of delete. Let us try to delete. When we delete it, it is working. Okay, so the problem was that we can't buy two phones together. We can't increase the quantity. We have to just click on that app again and again to purchase that phone in that n number of times that we want it. So this was the problem. And then we talk about the problem of the rupees it is not given. Now let us place the order. Let us see what happens. So it is asking the name. Okay, let's put a name. Let's put Ashish. Okay. Now it is asking about the country. Let's put it India. But it is asking about the country. But there is an option given like you are from India, you are from USA, you are from any other country. So it is not given the right thing. Now it is asking about the city. So let us say Lucknow. It asks about the credit card details. So let us put a credit card detail 1 2 3 5 4 7. Let us put a wrong credit card. Let us see that it will ask. Will it give an error that if we put the credit card wrong, will it give a error or not? Now let us go further. It is asking about the month and year. So we can see that for buying a product for the delivery, it is not given the delivery option also, and I think it will be in further. So it is asking about the month. So it is asking about the month and year. So why it is asking, it is not given. And when we think it is asking about the month and year, then there can be two types of thing that we can think about it. The month and year of today it is asking, or the month of year it is asking for the delivery of the product. So we can see that month and year, asking for the month and year is useless. It shows the stupidity of that person who has made this app, or by mistake he would be not been aware. We cannot abuse anyone. So let's go further. Let's put the month. Anyway, let's put the month. Let's put it May. Let us put it wrong. Let's put spelling like, let's put the January. Let's put the wrong spelling. And here let's take it the year which is not existing also. Let's take it 2015. Now let us see that it is at that it shows the error that we have put the wrong credit card. We have put the wrong month, wrong year. Let us see. Let us purchase. So it's definitely says thank you for the purchase. It is not checking the ID. It is not checking the amount. It is checking the amount. Now it is giving USD. It is giving in dollars, US dollar. And now when we see the card number, it is not it is not checking the card number. It is just doing like this only without any checking. And it is asking a name and date. And date, it is asking that why to ask the date. If it is online, then what is the requirement of asking the date? It can be self, but it is not there. So now it is done. Let us click on the OK. Now it is over. It has bring us to the main app, and we can see that we can't track the delivery. We can't see that something is happening. So we can see that there are too many bugs in this app, and there are more than 500 bugs that we have to find in it. So I have told almost that common bugs that we can find in this app. Now further, if you go, I think I have covered everything. I mean almost everything that we can see in commonly in this through our eyes. So at last, I would like to conclude our work by saying that our teammate Adarsh Kumar took the responsibility to make all the 500 test cases and made the GitHub repository. And our second teammate Manogna took the responsibility of helping him in making the Excel sheets. And at last, me, or say I, Pranav Jindal, took the responsibility to make the voice presentation. So our task is completely completed with all our best efforts. That's it, sir. Respected sir. Thank you.